Juicing is one of the easier ways to introduce healthy foods into your lifestyle, and NutriBullet has just made it even easier. This is the quietly powerful NutriBullet Slow Juicer, designed to thoroughly separate the pulp from the juice of even the toughest fruits and vegetables. This sleek and compact juicer uses a high-torque, low-speed motor along with an ultra-strong steel-tipped auger to crush and filter the pulp through a stainless steel mesh, leaving you great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice and even fresh nut milks. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer's extra-wide chute easily adjusts to accommodate for large, whole fruit juicing. Just add your favorite produce and let the NutriBullet Slow Juicer do the rest. And it's as easy to clean as it is to use. You'll love all the great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice you can create. Easy juicing, serious nutrition. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer.